Hi, this is Gayatri with DronaHQ, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the comparison tool I created to compare various low-code platforms to build internal tools. The platforms I have considered for comparison in this video are DronaHQ, Retool, Internal, AppSmith, JetAdmin, and UI Bakery. Now, this is not your average comparison tool with some superficial features listed. After feedback, reviews, interaction with developers, technology decision makers, and business users who have been using these tools, we have identified the finer parameters that users consider in their evaluation. The features and capabilities that we weigh the platform over are front-end designing, front-end logic, developer productivity and tooling, database and API integration, user management, deployment options, security certifications, app sharing, pricing flexibility, and then some add-ons like workflow and automations, onboarding, community, and analytics. With this comparison tool, it would become a whole lot easier for platform evaluators to get a better understanding of the platform's strengths and flaws as per their requirements. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the tool. As you will enter this comparison template, you will see the broad categories that we have double clicked upon for comparison. Heading over to the scoring sheet, we have done the groundwork for some of the top low code internal tool builders in the market. For any given platform that you're evaluating, you can change the answers by selecting options from these drop down menus. You can also increase the weights associated with each of these individual features. Like I can increase the weight over here for the ability to design visibility rules. And for every change you make, you can see the results reflect in the scores that are being calculated. Now we've assigned weights at three different stages in this tool. The very first one is over here at the individual feature level. We have assigned these scores based on the features that we found were incredibly important for internal tool development, but at the same time, you can make changes as you go on. For example, if your organization is already using Zapier and you would like to have the integration and the ability to continue using that, you can increase the score that is associated with this parameter, just like so. And the same would reflect in the scores that are finally calculated. The second set of weight assignment has been done on the answer level. So for every answer that you select from this drop-down menu, there is a score that is associated to that answer. So for example, you are somebody who values the ability to create UI components, whether it is with code or without code. You can simply change the answer over here. And the same would reflect in the tool on the scoring sheet. So whether over here you're selecting with coding or without coding, the score that is being calculated remains unaffected. Finally, we head over to the last stage of this comparison template, which is the platform comparison. This gives us that single snapshot of all the scores and the calculation done to understand how the platforms rank against each other. This is also where we have done the third segment of our weight assignment. For example, properties like front-end designing and action handling are of higher importance than something as a built-in database. As you can see, this entire comparison template is extremely hackable, and you can make the adjustments as per your use case to determine the right platform for you. Say you are a fintech company and you need to ensure the right security parameters are in place. So you can increase the weights for features like user management, security certifications, permission control, and so on. Needless to say, you can use this comparison template to evaluate any low-code internal tool builder of your choice. You can change the weights assigned, you can change the answers, the tools being evaluated, and it will help you expedite the evaluation process and the decision-making process to find the right platform for you. This brings me to the end of this demonstration. I hope it has been helpful and I hope this tool will be helpful to you by allowing you to go over the final details than do just a superficial comparison. With that being said, please go ahead and try out this template. The link can be found below. I would love to hear your views and feedback on this tool, so do not forget to share what you've got in mind in the comments below. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.